Yo, what's that? Glee. Glee. Hold on. Hold on now. Hold on. Glee. Man, I'm answering questions today. I'm asking questions today, though, dog. This Glee gang, cuz. Go Money Grill, put your money where your mouth is. I was like, 100K, what it do, man? Shout out to my 100K niggas, man. My nigga Trap doing Gucci, man. You feel me?
Hey, Ron trying to...
You trying to what?
Hey.
You trying to what?
Trying to get on 10 on 10.
10 on 10 what, though? 10 on 10 what? What city you in?
From the Tally.
Tally. Oh, yeah, I might hook you up. 10 on 10, say no more, man. I mean, I got that special for the 500 for you right now. Say no more. I'm gonna fuck Tally up, man. I gotta fuck with Tally, man. Tally, we coming soon. Glee. You feel me? Glee gang style. Say at me right quick. Hold on. What? You wanna fuck? Glee. She wanna fuck the goat. Talking. Who next, man? We share worldwide. Let me know what city you in. How you coming? Go Money Grill, put your money where your mind feel, man. I ain't gonna lie. The show just started. I ain't tipsy yet. I just cranked the bottle open. I ain't nothing yet. Yo.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's happening, whoa?
Hey, what's up? Like, you got goals from somebody else, right?
You said you got goals from somebody else? We ain't hating. What's going on?
Can you get a read from me?
Duh.
Say what?
Duh.
I'm in Tampa.
What you mean you gonna pull up to the Tampa shot? Duh.
Duh.
Okay then. We ain't racist, dog. We ain't racist, dog. We don't care who you went to, dog. We don't care who you went to. You want that read deal? Come to Gold Money. We gonna Glee gang you. Gleeful. You know, I got the rollie on right now. They dead right now. Who? What the VS? They dead. Bust down. Got the Cubin on. You know we do Cubin. Hold on. Let me hold on, cuz. Let me put my color up, cuz. Put my color up, cuz. Let me put my color up, cuz. You feel me? Put my color up, cuz. I got that 12 on 12 to show y'all too. You know what I mean? I got that 12 on 12 though. Look at that 12 on 12 though. This is a 12 on 12 NPG 600, bitch. Look at this bitch. Ooh. Ooh, they dead, cuz. Hold on. Check me out. Look at that bitch. 12 on 12, bitch. 12 on 12. Bust down, nigga. Bust down, nigga. Don't see that 12? Let me creep up. Ooh. Bust down, bitch. That's how we get down about how you coming, how you want that boy gleeful. Cubin. You know what I'm saying? Got him. You feel me? You feel me? Let me know what you want. You want the Cubin? You want the Rollie? You want the Gleeful? You want the Daniel? How you coming? How you coming? We do it all. How you coming? You feel me? We like Nike. We just do it. We like Nike, bitch. We just do it. We like Nike, bitch. We just do it, bitch. Gleeful. You feel me? Don't tell me they scared. Say at me right now. Somebody say, are you a boy or a girl? Oh, I'm just wondering. This nigga. This freaky nigga, that's a freaky motherfucker. Somebody say, I'm a boy or a girl. This just a freaky motherfucker. You just a freak if you ask me that. You want to know if I'm a boy or girl, you just a freaky dicky, huh? That's what you is, man. You, nigga, what this is? This a Rolex, nigga. You know what this is, cuz? It's a Rolex, cuz. Please. You know what I'm saying? Please. Gold Money Grill, put your money where your mind feel, man. Let me know, man. Y'all running up that back. What you want? What going on, cuz? What you trying to get, though, dog? I got my calculator right here, man. Why it taking so long to add you, dog? I got my calculator right here, man. I'm about to add up the questions, man. Look, man, you can call the phone, too. 954-933-7029. You got a question? Call the shop phone. 954-933-7029. I'm going to answer that bitch. Fuck that. I'm going to answer that bitch. You feel me? Motherfucker gonna say if I'm a boy or girl. But nigga, what kind?
Hey, hold on.
Glee. Glee. What going on? What's that, cuz? Where you at with it?
What's going on, boy?
What you trying to get, though, dog?
You trying to get this dick, dog?
Oh, Lord, this nigga freaky dicky. This a freaky dicky. Man, doodle block. We gotta block that. Block that freaky dicky nigga, man. He a freaky dicky. You know what I'm saying? This nigga freaking dicky, man. This nigga IG freak.
What's good?
What going on, my dog?
You don't remember me?
Man, I remember you now. Wait, what the grill like, though?
You right? Yeah.
Oh, you chilling right now. You it's about to go to bed. You got the grill about to go to bed right now. Ooh. Okay then. Rice on right. Okay, then I see it now.
I need another.
Man, I'll be waiting. Man, whenever you ready, I got you, nigga.
Alright.
Say no more. My dog say, what you mean? My dog say, nigga, I'm still getting it. My dog say he's still getting money. What you mean? I ain't gonna lie, right? I got the weed today. I think we closed now. Man, say add me, though. I'm about to roll up a big ass blunt. That boy say he got that. Say add me right now, man. Look at this 12 on 12 MPG, y'all. 12 on 12 MPG. Add me. I'm gonna add you right now. Who this is? This nigga's name is the jeweler, bitch. That nigga sound like the competition. Glee. Who that is, bitch? That sound like a competition. Let me see what he got going on. Glee. Yeah, I am. Yeah, I am.
Hey, yo.
Okay then. Straight like that now?
Hey, I remember I talked to you at one time, man, back when I was starting, but hey, look.
Oh, so you shining on me now? So you just shining on me now, huh?
Okay then.
Okay then. So you just shining on niggas now, huh? That real now. I salute that now.
Hey, we at the house. Hey, you motivated me, bro. I'm at the house with it.
Okay then, man. It don't matter, man. We gotta get that money sometime. It don't matter. At the house, at the shop, we gotta get that bag. What you mean? We gotta get that bag anyway. What you mean? It don't matter. At the house, at the shop, we gotta get the bag. Add me. I'm in shop. What you say? Add me, man. Glee. Man, look, man. I told my daughter to roll up one. Look, Broward County, Dade County, Palm Beach, Orlando, Tampa,
What up?
Fayetteville. Yo,
You know who this is?
how I'm gonna know? I can't even see you.
I'm outside.
You what?
This Baton Rouge.
This what?
This Baton Rouge.
This bad hood? I don't know now. I ain't talked to you in a minute. I gotta see what it is now. I don't know now.
What up, man?
What going on with you, fam?
Nothing.
Man, when you gonna pull up on me though?
I don't know.
You been hiding on me now.
You been shining on me.
Man, don't do me like that. I'm trying to get you shining right now. Don't do me like that now. Don't do me like that now.
Don't pull up.
Oh, you already know, man. Hit the DM. Now. I gotta get you gleeful. Don't do me like that now, dog. Hit the DM. Now I'm trying to pass it on to you. I'm trying to pass the gleeful on to you. You feel me? That's your word. I ain't nothing but a square. I'll give it to you right now. You can have it, dog. I want to see you gleeful. You can have it all, dog. You can have it rolling. You know what I'm saying? Yo.
Hey man, already got him. You feel me?
Who gleeful?
Go Money Grillz.
Put your money where your mouth is. Glee.
Yes, sir,
What city
man.
you in?
Shout out to Go Money Grillz. I'm Tampa. I already came up there.
I see it now. You gleeful
Big
now.
21.
Who? No white.
Yes, sir.
No white. That boy say he don't want no white showing. Who? That boy racist. No white showing. That boy racist. That boy got no white showing, dog. That boy got no white showing. Glee. He like Nike, boy. We gotta do it, dog. He like Nike, dog. Go money. We gotta do it, dog. Glee. Okay then. Amit Cub. 66666. This nigga the devil. This nigga the 66666 ass.
Hey man, I'll come back up there to get my goal.
What's
I
that?
need 10K.
Where you at with it though?
I'm in Polk County.
Polk County, I'm be waiting on you now.
Alright, bet that up.
Say no more now.
Fuck, nigga.
Maybe you know I got a flow with you now. What you say?
They come tomorrow, ain't it?
Tell him to come tomorrow? Man, tell him to call birthday boy. See if birthday boy still coming, man.
I guess he's going to get the money. He's taking his time.
Don't tell me them pussy niggas talking shit hanging up. How you gonna go on live and talking shit? Funny ass nigga. Man, we know we gleeful right here, man. You know I'm 10 G's on my hand 10 G's, man. I know why he mad at me. Other hand like 5 G's. Yo. Gleef. Certified, yo, it's Chino. Chino, what hand though, nigga, Chino, man, you been hiding, dog. That ain't my nigga Chino. Let me see what this is. That can't be the Chino I'm thinking about. Damn, we got 500 niggas watching this shit? God damn, bitch, I ain't know. Shit, we lit. We lit right now, nigga. God damn, I ain't know. Look at this shit. Yo, Glee. Ooh, that's how we coming. That's how real niggas get down.
You already know. Go money Grillz.
Put your money where your mouth is. Glee. That's how we coming. Real niggas locked in. Okay then. We got the real niggas locked in right now. Bitch. That's how we coming, bitch. Alright. Say no more. That's how we coming. Oh, that bitch so thick, that bitch almost fell out my hand. Now who go, man, I gotta roll up a joint. I ain't gonna even lie to you. Okay then, I'm gonna add you right now. Look, man. You want them watches? I got the Rollie on. VVs Glee. You want the Cubins? Man, we do it. What you want, though, dog? Glee. Big boy shit, man. What you want, man? Go Money Grill, we does it all. Glee. I need them permanents. You know permanents gonna run you by. How you gonna say add you and you scared, dog? You can't say add you and you scared, dog. Reshare this. Oh, man, somebody call me right now. 954-933-7029. Somebody call me right now. Fam, what's that? What's that, fam? Where the top at, though?
Go make it money in my face.
Okay, then. Drop that thing in there. Okay, then. Glee. Okay, then. They dead. Okay, then. That's how we coming. That's how we coming, man.
That's done.
Okay, then. I'm trying. Yo. Why? What them do? Well, who this here, cuz? Kilo. What's that, nigga? The Chino? Where you been hiding that, though, dog? Oh yeah, you cuffed up now. She got you ducked and tucked. That's what it is. Man, you know I'm a grind mode, man. When you gonna pull up on me? Glee.
Okay. Hey, listen, hey, Phil. I gave you all these views, by the way.
Oh, you did that now?
On my mom, I did. On my dead day.
I'm like, man, somebody gave us some views. I'm like, who did that there, man? Somebody just did.
Yeah, I did that shit. Hey, listen.
That's the birthday boy. Come through, birthday boy. What'd you say, my dog?
Hey, where you located at? You in Orlando?
I mean, I'm in Orlando this weekend. What's happening with you?
Oh, shit, man. Link up with me, man.
Man, I got you, man. Pull up on me. Let's turn up then.
Where you at right now, though?
I'm in Brown right now.
Oh, Brown. I'm from West Palm.
Okay, then. What's up? We're going to have to make a movie then.
Yeah. Hey, you like my shit?
Man, I been looking gleeful, nigga. That been looking Gucci. Ooh.
Hey, fam. Hey, give me a discount on the diamonds, though.
Man, hit the, man, you know I got. Don't do me. You know I got you. Don't do me like that.
Hey, give me the thread.
Man, I got you. Don't do me, man. Look, hold on. Hit the DM. I'm gonna give you my number right now.
All right, say that, bro.
Say no more. You know I get it to you right now. They gonna be calling the nigga and shit.
Yeah, I love you.
Oh yeah, you know that boy got them views up. That we at 700. Yo, man, birthday boy, what got going on, man? Birthday boy about to drop, man. Birthday boy, what we getting, dog? What we getting, birthday boy?
6-1.
Whoo, birthday boy about to drop, man. What you say, birthday boy? What you got?
I can pay high.
Man, man, you paid. That's all you paid. That's birthday deal, man. You ain't gotta get the birthday boy right. We gotta get the birthday boy right.
My birthday is in like.
You know, what's remember the dog though? What's up with that though? That's 6 dog. My bad, I'm toasted. Yo, Chino. Damn, my dog Chino done hanged up. Add me, nigga. Look, man, we working right now, man. Look, we got the Rolexes on there. We got the Gleeful. We got the Cubins. What you want, man? We do it all, man. We gotta get the birthday boy right, man. Birthday boy can't talk about can he pay half. No, nigga, that's your birthday, nigga. You ain't gotta bring the other half, birthday boy. You good. We got Broward County, Dade County, Palm Beach, Orlando, Tampa, Fayetteville, Charlotte. We shit worldwide. Wow, Go Money Grill. Wow.
Go Money Grill. Put your money where your mouth is.
Glee. Okay, Glee. Okay, then. They call it, man. How you gonna say add you and you scared, man? Real niggas calling right now. 954-933-7029. That's 954-933-7029. Ooh, I'm about to roll up, bitch. Put your money where your mouth is. He's scared. How you gonna say add you and you scared? Add me again. You scared. Add me real quick. Go Money Grill. Put your money where your mouth is. Glee.
Hello?
Yo, how you doing?
Yo, why you flexing, bro? Why you flexing?
I'm making you loud.
Why the fuck you flexing, bro?
Glee, you say you watching my live?
Yeah?
Man, what's up when you coming through, man? How you gonna watch the live? You ain't trying to cop nothing. Y'all play too much, man. Boy, look at here, boy. Look here, boy. This right here, this your whole house right here, boy. This your whole house right here, boy.
Hey, add red.
This your whole eyes right here. Yo.
Add red.
Hey, Red, what Red got going on? Ooh. Damn, why they mad today, man? Look at the gleeful, man. I'm gonna add you right. Why they mad? Don't be mad at me, man. How you gonna be? Cause Gold Money got me gleeful. Ain't my fault Glee Gang got me right. Ain't my fault Glee Gang got me lifting weights with no weights. Look at the muscles. That's straight Cuban muscles. Cuban muscles, bitch. God damn, Gold Money. How you got these niggas mad at me? Nigga, tell them y'all pay for this shit to Gold Money. Y'all got me right there. They mad at me. They calling me, hating on me because I'm gleeful. Hey, man, how they mad at the Glee Gang? I ain't do nothing. Gold Money gave me this shit. You feel me? I ain't asked for this shit. They say you lit. 1, 10 G's. Oh, my bad, 11 G's. 11 G. What you say, Jit? What happened, Jit? Man, look at here, Jit, man. I put your old lady everything. She come through. She gone. She gone right now. She see me. She gone. She see me. She gone right now, dog. Tell your lady I take her and I might bring you something bite. I might bring you something bite to eat. I might bring you something bite to eat, dog. You feel me? You feel me? He calling the lie. Damn, he like, damn, man, Glee, why you shining so hard? He like, damn, Glee, why my hoe want you? Ain't my fault your hoe want me though. All this gleeful, man. You know how the Glee Gang do. You know how we do. Hold on, say Abby right now. Hold on. You know what I'm saying? How you mad at me? Because the Glee Gang got me gleeful. You know what I'm saying? Glee. Yo.
Hey, all I gotta ask you, what's dinner gold?
Which one?
What's dinner gold?
Man,
like,
dinner gold.
What's the difference between a carrot and like a dinner gold?
Now, what's the difference between which one? A 10K and a what?
Like 10K, 14K, 18K, 22K.
I'm gonna let you know right now. I'm gonna let you know right now. Dog, blowing up right now. You wanna know what's the difference between MPG and 10K and 14K and 18K? We gonna start with 22K. You know 22K, you can smoke all you want. You feel me? 18K, you can smoke all you want. You hit you with the buff ride, you gleeful. You feel me? But when it comes to 14K, 10K, you know 14K, you looking at about 60% real gold. So you start smoking too much, ain't it? Right? You're gonna need a little redeal. Now 10K, you start smoking too much, you're gonna need a redeal because you're looking at only 40% real gold. Text me back, gang. What's going on, cuz? You feel me? So when it comes to smoking, 10K, 14K, and MPG, you gotta get redeal. You feel me? Cause when you smoke too much, it change. You feel me? That phone lit, bitch. That phone super lit.
Gang? What's up with it, fool?
What going on?
Nah, shit. I'm waiting on my shit.
What you waiting on?
Nigga. 8
What's it out there? Y'all got me. I'm talking to two motherfuckers at the same time. God damn. What city you in?
I'm in Philadelphia, Mississippi.
Man, Cash Out ready. Say, look, give me a little minute, Joey. What you waiting on, though?
8 Diamond Dust.
Diamond Dust.
Rose Gold.
What city you went to?
Philadelphia.
You said what city?
No, hold on. 2 seconds. I'm talking to her right quick. Hold on. She over here waiting on her grill right quick. What city you went to?
Philadelphia.
You're talking about, boy, where you got the grill at, though? Was it Shield?
I ordered it.
She like 40 minutes from me.
Yeah, I had it seen.
Nah, they trying to call. They won't let. They keep trying to call. My dog trying to show that little. Okay, it's going down. It's going down. We live right now. I'll make sure we get you right now. You said what you waiting on, Lo? What's your ticket number, Lo Mo?
I'm trying to get 10 gold.
My dog trying to get the 10 on 10.
I got a missing tooth though.
Man, we don't. Man, missing tooth. We can still get you right. You got a missing tooth now.
How much? What's the price?
Man, you got the page. DM me right now. DM me right now. This phone too lit. My bad.
Yeah, Gold Money Grillz?
Yeah, Gold Money Grill.
You see, I DM'd you in August. I just DM'd you again.
All right, I'm about to check it out. They going in. Low one, what's going on? My bad. We lit right now. What's going on with you? What you reading? I'm starting. What you got going on? Oh, she over here just going in. Oh, they FaceTiming this shit.
Man, y'all playing.
Hold on. Who that was? Hold on. Who that was? What you say you waiting on, boo?
8 on 8, Diamond Dust.
What city you in? Was it shipping?
Yeah, it was shipping.
What's the name on it?
Messiah.
What's your ticket number, dog? 493. Don't do me like that. 493. Hold on. What 493 at though?
That's Rose Gold.
Hold on. 493. I see 495. Hold on. Where that Rose Gold 493 at? Huh? Rose Gold 493. Is that already? It's a Rose Gold. Hold on right quick.
I missed my goals, bro. I'm trying to be Glee Gang again.
Now we gonna get you Glee Gang. Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. Give me a little minute, little mama. Give me a little minute. I'm gonna give me 2 seconds.
What?
Give me 2 seconds right quick. I gotta find little mama Grillz. They triple teaming them nigga. FaceTime and fucking Instagram. What going on?
You see me?
They beating me up right now, dog.
You see me?
God damn. Phone ringing, bite to bite. Show him that ticket number again. God damn. He ain't fucking know.
Yo, okay then.
Mm-hmm.
Glee Gang style.
Glee Gang style. Man, we gonna get you right now. What the ticket number? Damn, they blowing the phone.
Crank them up.
We gonna crank them up. You say 494?
493.
493. I see 495 right. That's 8 on low.
Yeah, Glee.
Glee. It's a Rose Gold.
Yeah.
Alright. Glee. I see you now. What city you in?
Orlando.
Orlando. That's how we coming. What you got over there? What that is?
21.
Ooh, they dead. That nigga ain't showing no white.
Yeah.
That's how we coming. We gonna turn up.
Glee Gang.
Okay then. Now they looking right now, dog. They looking right now. Damn, why the phone so hot, man? Damn, somebody blowing every second. God, that been ringing every second. That's how we get down in the Glee Gang, dog.
We trying to crank them up.
Okay then.
Okay then.
Okay then.
561 shit.
Look,
Okay,
phone
then.
line. Come on, stop. This nigga calling private and shit.
Okay then.
Okay
561
then.
shit, man. We cranking them up.
Okay then.
You see it on any of those modes?
Which one right here? Which one?
These are for the right, the 493. You see?
493 come through.
I'm gonna let you do the
Nah, 493 come through. Cause I can't see.
Oh.
You know me, I'm drunk. What's that, my dog? Bye. What's that, dog? You good? 493. Damn, where that Rose Gold at?
Sorry.
My bad, you good.
It's okay.
What's that, whoa? I can't hear you, dog. Why I can't hear you? I'm gonna add you right back. I can't hear you. Why I can't hear you? Damn, phone line lit.
He's looking for that Rose Gold.
Hold on, give me. I want to see it first. You feel me? Let's look for 493, man. My dog on the line, FaceTiming.
Yeah, we gonna get you.
Before we go, let's make sure we get him right. I'm gonna roll up while we get him right. Let me pull out my rap, cause it's stressful now.
You gotta get me right.
We gotta get him right. Pull out my gloves, man. Damn, the phone line hot. Why the phone line so hot? It's always like that. Phone line ringing every second though. We can't hear you, Fly. I can't. You feel me? Yo, what's that?
What's good with you, man?
What's that, my dog?
Hey, listen, man. You know your boy shit from the cartoon, man.
What you got going on?
Shit, you know I got an 8 on 8, dude.
What city you in?
Shit, you know, Palm Beach.
Ooh, 561. Say
Yes,
no
sir.
more.
Yes, sir. But I went to Broward to get my shit.
Oh no, we're gonna get you right. Say no more.
You already know. You already know, man.
Say no more.
Glee Gang, man.
Glee Gang, don't do me like that. Don't do me like that now. Okay then, Glee Gang style. Damn, the phone line hot. My dog with, remember, 493 down Rose Gold. We waiting on that.
Y'all see it yet?
Hold on, I got the girls looking right now, dog. I can't get you off till I find your shit.
Hey, look, man, I'm finna screenshot. I'm finna tag you.
Okay then. Okay then. I'm about to roll up right now.
Screenshot real quick. Okay then.
Okay then. We're gonna turn up.
Okay then.
Okay then.
Yeah.
Okay then. Palm Beach, my guy. I see 494 right, 495. What going on, girls? Damn, these niggas phone line ringing every second. Thought the phone line ringing, dog. Hold on, add me right quick. Look, dog. Phone line won't start ringing. Look.
Hey, fam, I said add red.
Add who?
Add red _4X.
Let me look for it right now. Add red. Goddamn, red must be hot. Where red at? They want me to add red. That mean he blowing up. You don't want to add red. That mean he blowing up. Where he at, bitch? I'm hiding in the bitch too. I done forgot what he said, bitch. What he said again? I'm high. Okay, right. At red. Okay, where he at though? Man, look, man, I got the rollie on right now, man. Do he? You feel me? I can't see it though. Hold on, they still looking. Hold on.
Alright. You got him lost enough.
Nah, don't do me like that. We're gonna keep you on here till we find that bitch. You know what I'm saying? Gleeful. Okay then. Okay then. Dog still waiting, man. Dog still waiting, man. Damn, phone line going off the chain. We closed, bitch. Glee. Where red at, dog? I can't even find red. Damn, phone line going lit.
Okay then.
Phone line lit. Okay then. Y'all found it? We still looking? God damn, we still looking.
We gonna find him tonight.
We gonna find that thing. I'm gonna roll up while we look for that motherfucker.
Yes, sir.
Okay then.
I'm tuned in.
Okay then, we gonna get this shit going in. Yeah, man, we gotta get my dog right, man. We looking right now, man. Damn, they calling bite the bite. Recession slow, man. Where red at? I can't find red, dog. I think cause I'm too high, dog. I've been 3 weeks. 3 weeks, you coming up, dog. Don't do me like that. You coming up. You been 3 weeks, don't do me like that. You coming up, dog.
Damn time, but he trying to crank y'all up, man.
You feel me? You feel me? Hold on, he taking too long, man. Say somebody add me, say add me right now. Damn, look at this shit, the phone line going crazy, bitch. God damn. I can't even take. They lit. They lit right now. Damn. My dog wanna know what's going on.
We can find them bitches.
We gonna find that thing. Okay then. Say no more.
Yes, sir.
Damn, they call him bite the bite. We gotta get my dog right. Damn, who called him like that?
What up?
Well, please tell me some good news, ladies.
Bobby.
Ladies, please tell me some good news. Oh, let me take this glove. I'm making a mess on it.
They done found her, that's what.
Hold on. Dog, the phone line going lit. Dog, hold on. We at 400 right now. Okay then. We got the girls looking right now. They
Okay.
Superstars. Superstars right here, y'all. The superstars. That's the superstar. We gonna get it right.
She's doing too much. She's fired.
Yo, nigga, you ain't got no goals, nigga. Where the girl at?
Man,
When you gonna pull up, dog? When you gonna pull up, man?
man, hit me.
Man, you gotta pull up. What city you in?
Well, I'm for.
Dog, we gotta find. Yo, like Rose Gold, what it was? What the whole grill was, dog?
They were 8 on 8.
MPG dipped in Rose Gold?
Yeah, I think so.
400?
Yeah.
Yeah, 400. Come on.
But it was a redo.
It was a redo.
493?
493.
How is that a redo?
493.
We're not even on them numbers yet.
What you mean? Oh no, remember we already. No, remember that mean he a throwback. I mean, remember we always back.
Things look.
493? Yeah.
493 right here.
He already picked up? No.
That's right there.
He said he was a redo.
He was a redo. What top and bottom? What you want? They both ain't fit?
Nah, like it was basically like he had hit me on the deal basically because I've been supposed to come. And like since last year, but you know I ain't have no money. So
Who that was though? What he look like?
It was Doodle.
Oh, Doodle?
Dreads.
Oh no, Doodle always doing something. That superstar. That's the superstar. God damn, the superstar. So we got Alright, so we're gonna call Doodle and find out what's going on. That's the superstar. He know what's going on. So we're gonna find out what ticket. It might be a different ticket number, so we can find out what's going on.
So it's a different one.
And I said we don't know. We're gonna find out. Yeah, you know, superstar gave you a ticket number, so we're gonna find out what's going on. 2 seconds. Hold on, right quick. Let me find out right quick. Hold on. 2 seconds. Get on the line with your boy.
All right.
All right. Yo,
This is both got to tell me.
no, I'm winning. No.
So we just throwing people stuff.
What's up? My bad. I think I did that. I don't know. Yo, fuck it. Yo, my bad. Y'all, I'm back, y'all. I'm gonna holler at Superstar Doodle tomorrow. I don't know what's going on. I'm about to finish rolling this up. We gonna get my dog right. What's ticket number was?
492.
493 tomorrow. I'm on their neck. I'm coming in tomorrow. I'm gonna find out what's going on. What that? That's tips?
No, this is retail.
Damn.
No, that's for the register.
That's tips right there, boy. God
That's
damn.
for the register. Don't get beside yourself.
It's going down. We appreciate the girls. Yo, sometimes we don't let the girls know how much we appreciate them. We appreciate them.
He said Sunday.
Yeah, there you go. It's going
I didn't
down.
hear nothing. I'm sorry.
It's going down.
I've been trying to hear for so long. I can't even hear nothing.
Dog, they still calling. Go on the grill. Put your money where your mouth feel. Damn, nigga, we closed. Why the phone still ringing? Hold on. Add Red X. Where that nigga at? Where he at? Man, where he at Red X, man. Say yo. Red X, say yo, because they want me to add you, dog. They want me to add you, dog.
Yo.
Yo.
What up, bro?
What's happening, whoa?
Shit, what's good, man?
What's going on, dog? We trying to get shit right now. What you got going on? What going on with you?
What up, man?
Put me in. What you got going on? What you waiting on? The phone line so hot. Damn, the phone rings so much. I can't even talk to my dog. My bad, the phone ringing so much. What you got going on? Damn, I can't even hear my dog. Damn, dog, the phone ringing so much. Pay attention, my bad. Hold on, let me see it. Where he at though, dog? What? Add Red. He here. Dog, why the phone ringing so much? It's crazy, bro. Let me pour me a cup, dog. Hold on. Y'all niggas too lit, bruh. Hold on, where to do that? Add me. Let me add somebody right quick. Look, man, I got the rollie on right now.
Ty, what's up? Let me get that 10 on 10.
What's happening? Where you at with it?
That 10 on 10 from the shipment.
Ooh. You came through yet? Or you waiting on it?
Hey, I'm in Columbus with it.
Say no more. We're gonna get you right.
Right.
Which one? Say one more time? Yeah. I got you.
Hey, what's up with 10 on 10, 10K?
I got you. I got you, dog. I got you. Yo, now, what city you in, my dog?
I need that 10K.
Now we gonna hook it up for you.
Wall. What's up? What you writing me?
Don't do me like that, dog.
Hey, cause I just had something. I had the 808.
Where that bitch at?
Hey, I was hitting the swerve. I had it in the swerve car. Damn, I need some more. I need a double back.
Say no more. We gonna hook it up for you then. Man,
I need to get me right.
Man, hit the DM right now. Yo, look, hit the DM right now. Hit my DM right now, nigga. We gon' damn, this nigga blowing the nigga up, cuz. Damn, wow.
What's up?
What's happening, whoa?
Good. How much is 808?
808, we could do like, it depends. We could do, you might do, what kind of metal you want? We could do 400, we could do 900, we could do 6. It just depends what metal you want.
I want the diamonds.
Oh, the diamonds, okay, hit my DM. I ain't gonna lie, diamonds gonna run you a little bit more. So you gotta understand what the diamonds, what'd you say?
493 still in the wax room.
No, we just found out.
They got molded on Thursday.
My bad, we good. Y'all drive safe. I think I'm the only one drunk, but y'all drive safe. Happy Thanksgiving.
said before you left, you was going to get that figured out, and we got it.
That's what I'm fucking talking about. Teamwork. 493 in the wax room. Bruh, this nigga slow as hell. Add me, Red. Man, nigga, I'm toasted, cuz. How you gonna, damn, though, dog. I'm toasted. Yo.
Hey, what up, bro?
What's up, my dog?
Hey, yo, I need a 6 on 6.
6 on 6 what, though? Go? Dog, the phone line going crazy right now. 6 on 6 go?
Yeah, my shit.
Oh, they say you in the oven, dog, so tomorrow give us a call. You should be almost done.
I'm almost done.
Yeah, give me a call. No, give me a call. Hold on. No, you might give me a call tomorrow. You might be done tomorrow. Give me a call around 3 o'clock so I can see what's going on.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go pick him up on Thanksgiving.
Just give me a call tomorrow. We're gonna turn up Glee.
Okay then.
Already then. Okay then. It's going down. My bad, dog. We working the file. I'm multitasking. 2 phones shouted. Glee.
Hey, yo, add Red.
Add Red. Where Red at, though?
He in the chat.
God damn. Red. Hold on. Add Red. Add me, gang. I see him. Hold on. Why I can't add him, though? He was just here, though. Okay. I think it's him right here. Red X. This nigga must be super lit. Everybody add a superstar. This nigga must about to do something. My dog about to get lit. Then let me get my joint ready because everybody say add Red. Add me, gang. Oh, I ain't add you what I did. Yo, I swear to add my dog. Hold on, I'm drunk too, man. Let me roll this joint so I can talk to Red. Red must be doing his thing. What's that, whoa?
Sup, fat ass bitch ass nigga.
That's why they say add Red.
Fat ass bitch ass nigga. Look at your fat ass nigga.
That's why they say add this lame ass nigga.
You a bitch ass nigga. I beat your ass nigga.
That's why y'all say add this lame ass nigga, man. Y'all got me adding a lame ass nigga, man. Y'all can't be doing. I know he must have been a comedian, but that nigga was not funny, man. You know what I'm saying? Let me light my Joe up, man. Y'all can't be letting me add no square ass nigga, man. I mean, I got 11,000 on my hand right here, man. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm like the closest thing to you know what I'm saying? Y'all seen some gleeful shit. You feel me, cuz? You feel me? Y'all can't leave me, you know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta make sure y'all make a nigga with money get on the live, man. It's Glee gang though, dog. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? What's that, whoa? Who making love on the TV? This nigga got me watching them making love? What that was, porn? That freaking dicky nigga. Oh, my bad, I added the wrong nigga. That wasn't him. Thank God that wasn't him. That was a square ass nigga, man. Thank God that wasn't him, dog. Don't be, man, you feel me? Don't be doing that. Don't be throwing out my vibe, man. Yo, I'm on the weed. I ain't gonna lie. My bad. I hope that wasn't him, cause he was boo-boo. He was terrible. He don't know I'll take his bitch and his mom. Man, I'll take your hoe and your little other hoe. You feel me? I'm gonna take them hoes, take them out to eat. Then I ain't gonna pick up the phone no more. I'm gonna say, hold on, call me no more, man. It's gleeful, man. It's Glee game, man. You know what I'm saying? Glee. You know what I'm saying? We too lit around here, dog. Add me, my G. What's going on, cuz? Mm-hmm. You feel me? The first thing I said was Glee gang. Glee gang. Ooh, Glee gang. Ooh, we smoke droppers. Why my dog Red? Let me add the real Red. Let me add the real Red, man. Glee. Damn, why we lit today? Why so many people on the line today? What's going on? Somebody must have gave us them views, man. Real nigga locked in right now. Add me, bro. You taking too long. If your shit taking too long, I should go on the dog. Look at the Rolex, dog. Yo.
Hey, what's up? My goals. I'm gonna show you my
So you just gonna just check me like that? What's your ticket number, dog? Damn.
I'm getting it right now.
Then what's up with my goals? Like damn, dog. What that is? Orlando or Tampa? Orlando, shit. You should be coming up. Let me call my nigga and see when they're coming up. Let me find out. Why you on the line right now? Hold on. When you came in?
Saturday.
You just came in?
Yeah.
How long they told you, dog?
34 weeks.
And you came in and you calling right now?
What they said, 34 weeks.
We gonna get you right, dog.
Alright.
God damn. My bad, Remy, dog. The nigga made me call. He talking about, what's up with his goal? He talking about he came in sad. I'm like, nigga, you just came in.
Oh, yeah. You know, we gonna get him in. We gonna get him out for him.
That nigga, I know we DJ Khaled, but goddamn, nigga, we ain't Superman.
You know, we the best, but boy, you know, this like, you know, we can't make them. We make them with our hands, handcrafted everything.
You feel me?
You know how we get down, man. You know, the perm apartment on the way, too.
Okay, then, we gonna turn them up.
You already know we finna turn them up, man.
For sure.
Yo.
Nigga, you got me looking at the wall. What you want?
I DM'd you.
You DM me what you want, though. Let me rap something real quick. Hold on. Who this is talking about let me rap? If I let you rap, you better spit. I'm going to give you 30 seconds, dog. I'm going to give you 30 seconds, dog. You better spit. Yo. My dog. Oh, he playing game. He ain't no spitter. Look, don't forget, we shit worldwide. Broward County, Dade County, Palm Beach, Orlando, Tampa, Fayetteville, Charlotte. We shit worldwide. Jacksonville coming soon. You feel me? Wow.
Oh, yeah, one more thing, too. One more thing.
What that is?
I want you to do my video, too.
What you say? You about to do what?
I want you to do my video.
But we lit then.
Get lit.
We gonna be lit then. We gonna turn up. Whoo! Glee. Okay then. Okay then. We gonna turn up. Okay then. Palm Beach style. Man, where Red at, dog? Red, I can't. My bad. You know, I'm looking for Red, but I see other people say add me, so I gotta add him. You know, we like Nike. We just do it. We like Nike, dog. We just do it, dog. I got the dope with me today, so I'm feeling good. You can't, man. You can't freestyle. Look, I'm gonna let you get your shine on, but you got to be able to spit though. You got to be able to spit, man. Look, we shit worldwide. It don't matter where you at, you can get this Glee game. Glee. It don't matter where you at, you can get the Glee game. Look, man, I got the Rolex on. You feel me? Let me know what you want. The Rolex. What you want? You got the Cubins. Glee. How you coming? You feel me? Hold on, where you at? Damn, I can't. Where Red at? Phone line's going crazy right now. Yo, Red, tell Red at Red. Okay, at Red 4X. Red 4X, say yo right now. I ain't gonna even press nothing till I see Red. Cause phone line going crazy right now. Phone line going crazy. Phone line going crazy right now. Oh, my dog, Young Don 954 in this bitch. Oh shit, what's happening, whoa? What's happening, my dog?
I'm trying to check on my grill.
What's your ticket number?
439.
439, hold on. 439. Oh, you should be, when you came, you just came in, ain't it? When you came in?
No, I came in like last month, like 3 weeks ago.
Hell nah, don't do me like that. 439, I see 4. Hell nah.
October 30th. I came on October 30th.
439, so you might be done. Hold on. 439, hold on. I see 438, hold on. 439, hold on. 43. Yeah, you might be done already, dog. So I'm call me tomorrow around like 12, but you might be done already, bro.
You said I might be done already?
Yeah, call me tomorrow around 10 o'clock. We open at 10 to 3 tomorrow. I think you done already, though. I think he done, cuz. I think he done, bitch. Man, Red mad right now. Man, hold on, man. Tell Red right now. Damn, he mad too? This nigga must be a superstar. Where he at? Young Don, nah, man, I love you too, my nigga. I want to see them VVS. This man, hold on. Red, I'm going to stay here till I see Red. Red must be a superstar. God damn, they say, Red, where you at? Red, say yo right now. Oh, shit. Jesus Christ. I finally found him. Jesus Christ.
You bitch ass fucking nigga. I was trying to fucking place nigga out there fucking satisfied.
Was that the right one, man? Was that the right one? Because y'all playing, man. Y'all playing, though. Oh, Red 4X? That was Red 6X. Where Red 4X at? That was 6X. It's 4X. My bad. That was my bad. That was motherfucking 6X. Well, Red 4X right here. Right here. I see him. God damn, he must be a superstar. Who this? I need an autograph. Who this nigga is? This nigga must be a comedian, a rapper. He must be something big. Everybody want Red. Damn, who the fuck Red is? Who the fuck Red is, man? Red taking so long to connect though. Look, Gold Money Gear, we ship worldwide. We got them Cubans. We got the Rolex. You know what I'm saying? We got the Glee gang. Glee. Where Red at? Red, goddamn, Red phone tripping? This nigga got me waiting. This nigga phone. This what y'all got me waiting on? What Red getting ready? Is Red getting ready? Let me light this joint up. Red taking a year and a day. Red he was unable to join. Why was he unable to join? Why was Red unable to join, y'all? What's going on? Let me light the draw up. Y'all playing around with Red. Red the superstar. You can't get on right now. Yeah, you got a question, say add me right now. He says phone tripping. Damn. Yo. Oh, this nigga scared. This nigga chicken, man. The phone line still lit. Glee. Find my goals before I leave your spot. What's your ticket number, dog? Paid in full. What's your ticket number? Add me back. What's your ticket number, bitch? Man, look, man, I got that thing on, man. I got that rollie on, man. That diamond shit, man.
Yo, man, it's about time.
God damn, my bad, dog.
Damn.
God damn, superstar, my bad, superstar.
Last straight. You was just talking about twin brother.
Huh?
You were just talking about twin.
Okay. God damn, superstar, they want me to add you on there, god damn.
Yeah.
Woo.
Hey, look. I got a question for you. What's up? I'm trying to get down there.
Man, you know what? You ain't dealing me. Man, you know I told you I can't get your price out there now.
Hey, but you gonna follow me though, right?
Come on now. You said I'm a what?
Hey, you gonna follow me?
Yeah.
Okay, then. That's all I want to know.
What city you in?
Huh?
What city you in?
Man, I'm from Palm Beach.
Man, so you coming down, you coming to the Palm Beach shop. Where you coming at?
No, I'm gonna come about it.
Ooh, say no more. We're gonna turn up then.
Bet that up.
Say no
Bet
more.
Vote me though.
You already know. God damn, Red gotta be blowing up. He gotta be, they like, Red. God damn, superstar. God, they like, add the superstar. They about to kill a nigga for the superstar. What's up, my dog?
Hey, shit.
What going on?
Hey, yo, I need some, bro. I need a you know what I'm saying? I need some.
Ooh, say no more. You talking my language, my dog.
Hey, we popping the tell me, man.
Okay then. You talking my nigga doo-doo in the cut language. That's what I'm talking about. Okay then. Yeah. Say no more. What city you in?
Ball.
Ooh, they getting money over there. I appreciate. I would salute that shit now.
Tap in. I need some Glee gang.
Glee gang. Man, DM me right now. DM me right now. Say no more. Oh, I'm waiting on you now. Say no more. They getting money over there now. They getting money over there now. I see them now. They getting money. Boy, I got the Rolex on. Ooh, they dead. You don't see the glass. Yo, that's diamonds right there, boy. Don't let me cut the lights off. Glee. Don't let me cut the lights off. We're going to have a show up in here. Add me. Hold on. Add 954 Enzo. God damn, they got requests today. I like this vibe. They got requests today. They got real niggas they want me to add today. Let me sit the Remy on there. I gotta put the leg up one time. God damn, Memphis in this bitch. Real niggas check in. Add me, please. Rep your city, man. Rep your city, man. Real niggas locked in. Rep your city. Where you from? Who getting money? Who run this shit? Glee. The Glee gang does. Glee. Let's go money grid, man. You know we do them watches. You know we do them things. You know we do them Cubans. Who is that? 110 grams. Who they did? Gleeful. They did. Glee. Look, man, we shit worldwide. Riviera Beach up in this bitch. 561 Riviera. Oh, I ain't gonna lie, them gangsters over there now. Yo. Say add me right. Lauderdale in this bitch. Young Dunn 954. Real niggas check in, man. Man, we throwback niggas. Backflip days, nigga. Backflip days. Free my nigga, man. Free low bro, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. Okay then. Real niggas. Got phone line going crazy too, man. Wow.
Hey, I'm on the phone. Go money.
Duh. What you be? Let's go money grill. Put your money where your mouth is. Glee.
Hey, look, I'm from Montgomery, Alabama. You ship over here?
Yeah, we ship worldwide. What you mean?
Man, I'm trying to get the gold. Hey, y'all do gap.
Man, look, man, we don't care you got no got. We gonna get you right. Don't do me like that. My dog phone was slow motion.
Man, I love y'all, bro. Love y'all.
Man, we love you too, man. We love you too, man. Glee gang, Glee. Man, I hope my nigga Doodle in the cut with here right now, man. We appreciate y'all too, my nigga Zoe. We gonna turn up for Turkey Day tomorrow. Turkey Day. Who got them turkeys tomorrow? We gonna be Glee. 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 Wow.
Yeah.
Glee. Glee.
Yo.
What them do, dog? What them do? Y'all gotta let all my Android users, man. All my Androids, y'all gotta let me know, man. All my Android users, get me ready. All my Android users, get me right, man. Look, we shit worldwide. No matter what city you in, you can get this Gleeful game. Let's say you got a grill for somebody else already. It don't matter. Come to Gold Money Grill. Come to Gold Money Grill. We're gonna get you right. Glee. Glee. Jamaica Wagwan. Yo.
You.
What's happening, whoa?
I need 12 and 12.
12 on 12, that's how you coming?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you bringing that pressure. You bring that, ooh, somebody trying to FaceTime a bit. Damn, they coming like that.
Yo.
Glee.
What's good?
What going on?
Good, where you at?
Man, you know I'm at the tribe. I'm in the tribe. What you mean?
I'm in Bryan.
You in Bryan County? Say you right in the tribe with me. What you mean?
Yeah, cause I'm in for the 606.
What though? What, regular, dental, 10K, VVs, how we coming?
Regular.
Regular? Man, shit, we could do like a 606. I ain't gonna lie, we could do about 1100. You bring that pressure now, cause you know low. Really, regular is really 300. But your regular, the way you sound on the phone right now, you trying to sound like you want 10K. You might want that 1100.
Yeah.
Man, we gonna get you right. Say no more. Dog, look how they FaceTiming. Real niggas locked there right now. They locked there right now.
Hey, bro. Fuck with me, bro.
I'm fucking with you, dog. What's that?
I'm trying to get 808, man.
What's that? Where you at with it, though?
I'm 561 Riviera Beach, man.
Man, I fuck with it, man. You know I fuck with the team, nah?
Look. I leave Sunday, because I'm about to go back to the A.
So what you mean? We gonna be in the A soon. What you mean?
So what's the wait time looking like, bro?
I ain't gonna lie. Looking like 2-3 weeks, though.
2-3 weeks?
Okay, then.
I can fuck with that.
But I ain't gonna lie. We could do fast service, but it's gonna tax you a little, son, now.
Because I used to have some, but this is my second time I got to do the bid. I gotta go to the fast, bro.
Man, we gonna hook it up for you. Say no more.
Alright, dog.
I'm fucking with it now. Whoo. Real niggas locked in, bitch. Real niggas locked in. My nigga Young Don locked in. Real niggas locked in right now. Let me light the drone. Who they FaceTiming hard, bitch? Gleeful.
What?
Gleeful.
Yo.
Wow.
Yo.
Wow.
What's up, folks?
Well, damn, the phone so lit. You can't even see my dog face. What's happening, Walter? What's happening? Who that boy spreading? Spread game dangerous.
Yeah.
Spread game. What got going on with it?
What's going on? Shit. What's up with the Grillz?
What city you in?
Shit, I'm in St. Louis right now.
Who? What you mean? Like, what you trying to get?
I'm gonna go out there and tap in. Yeah, I might have to get the top done.
Man, say no more, man. We gonna hook it up for you now.
I'm trying to get silver. I'm trying to get 6 on 6 silver.
All right, well, I'm waiting on you right now.
All right.
What'd you say, my dog?
Alright.
What'd you say?
I said I'm trying to get 6 on 6 silver.
What city you in?
I'm in Philly.
Where you at, big bro?
What city? Oh, dog, man, you know his hoes down here. This nigga still on here. It's going down. You know, boy, we lit down here. God, that boy getting that money. Dog, they about to kill me. 2 phones shorted. He on the live spreading.
Yeah.
They trying to go live. What did you 6 on 6, my dog? 6 on 6?
Yeah, silver.
Silver? Oh yeah, I got you for the 300. What city you in?
I'm in Philly.
Oh, Philly, we're gonna ship to you. That's 400.
Philly.
We can do it. I ain't gonna lie, with the shipping, since you in Philly, you want a 6 on 6? Man, we could do that shit. Man, we could do that shit for the what's his name, man? For the 400 with shipping. Man, this shit gleeful, cuz, man. We international with this shit, man.
Yeah.
Glee game, dog. See this shit, man?
Yeah.
Okay, then. We glee gaming with this shit, man.
I'm gonna let you call the fans, though.
Okay, then. Glee. You don't see my dog glee gaming, dog? This shit serious, bro. This shit serious, cuz. I got the Rollie on. Dog, I got the Rollie on. I got the VS in the mind. Glee, I got the fucking Cubin on. The phone won't stop ringing. Bitch, I'm on this Remy. This shit, this Michael Jordan story, dog. Like that Rod Wave nigga say. This the Michael Jordan story, dog. Look at this shit, dog. Dude, where you at? Zo, where you at, dog? This is my Dirt. Where you at, Dirt? Remy, where you at? This is a Michael Jordan story, dog. Yo.
Yo, I'm trying to get a 10 on 10.
What city you in?